Drone TV, Voice of Drone Technology, GIS and AI Technologies. Introducing Jay Trivedi, Amex Corporation.
Good morning, I'm Reena Jadhav from Drone TV, bringing all the live coverage of this event that is Drone Expo 2025 on our platform that is Drone TV, where we are showcasing all the AI technologies and industries drones on a one platform. So could you please explain yourself and tell more about your company?
For sure. So my name is Jay Trivedi. I am from Amex Corporation. Today we are presenting our underwater drone in partnership with Deep Tracker. So I'll show you my product. This is our most compact underwater drone. So it has a 4K camera, 2000 lumens of lights, a grabber arm, a multi-beam sonar. So all this weighs around 10 kgs, 10 to 11 kgs. There is a controller using which you can operate from the ground, 200 meters of tether. So if there is any drowning incident or some criminal has thrown some weapons or contrabands or in drug packets, so you can just deploy your ROV. It starts in 30 seconds and you can just find your object of interest and pull it back to the surface up to 100 kgs of weight. Yeah. So this is basically what our product is.
So what types of materials you have used? What types of motors or the sensors you have used in our product?
The underwater ROV concept is you can use the 4K camera, and if the water is murky, then we use the multi-beam sonar. So what we have observed is many water bodies, the water is such murky that sometimes the visual feed is not that helpful. So we use this dual frequency multi-beam sonar to locate objects, drive towards it, using the grabber, pull it to the surface.
So what are the main end users of your product?
So basically end users are law enforcement agencies. We have worked with NDRF, we have worked with CBI, we have worked with the Indian Navy. We have supplied this to the Uttar Pradesh Police for the Mahapum event. Gujarat Police is our customer. Many fire services, we have helped many fire services, and they are in process of procuring it. So yes, it has been widely used across the country.
So is there any similar product like your product in India?
Yeah. There are many competitors, but the many competitors are focused on the infrastructure inspection part of it. We are more towards the portable disaster management unit. So this is the most compact one, 10 kgs, best for the disaster teams. You just keep it in a small Pelican box, keep it in your car, and just deploy at the disaster site.
So what is the main key feature that will specify your product in detail?
The main key feature which we present is the lightweight feature of our ROV. It is because once you discuss about the ROVs are quite bulky, 30 kgs, 40 kgs. With all the tether and all, you have to do 2 cases, you have to it takes time to turn on the XYZ. So this is our main feature, very compact, easy to use, usually deploy in 30 seconds, you start your operation. So that is that.
Is there any software required for your product?
Yeah, so there are software required. We are currently working on to integrate an AI solution for sonar in order to detect the human body or object of interest using this sonar. Also, we have already integrated few softwares like image enhancement, video enhancement into it. So yeah, we are in process of developing more to it.
Where do you see your product after 2 or 3 years?
Maybe I see my product helping all the law enforcement and disaster management agencies quickly finding the unfortunately drowned victim and helping the families get a closure.
Is it associated with other foreign countries?
Yeah, it is. So basically, the main IP holder is a Canadian company. So we are using their IP. We are doing a transfer of technology. We are building our own wrappers to it, and we are integrating many indigenous part to it.
Have you given a unique name to your drones?
I would say the customers tell us that this is a machli. It's a very flexible, very compact. It is a small machli to us. I see. They don't call it as a machine. They call it as a machli. Yeah.
Thank you so much for asking. Thank you.
Thank you for watching Drone TV, your gateway to the latest in drone technology, GIS innovations, and AI-driven solutions. To partner with us or promote your company on Drone TV, visit www.dronetv.in. Contact us at +917 5201 23555.